How do the clothes look to you inside each washer?
I like that one is not tangled as much as I feel like this one is getting tangled.
Looks like they're all getting just tangled.
Right.
Yeah.
Tangled and mangled.
If I picked up one piece of clothing, they'd all come up with me because they're all wrapped and twisted around each other. I mean, it never looked like this in washer 2.
They're not sticking together. They're not all entangled together.
Didn't tangle, that's good. That could have been a mess.
Oh, wow. I've got a shirt almost identical to that now. I've been afraid to wash it because I don't know what the fringe is going to look like.
It did great.
That's nice
Yeah.
that it didn't get
Yeah.
tangled in a while.
Looks like how they went in.
And you would be
Yeah,
I
I'd
would
be
be
satisfied.
satisfied.
Time for the big reveal.
Speed Queen.
Speed Queen.
Wow.